Good morning guys! Nandito kami sa Ano Mong Kuko. Simply Mike here. So, dito kami, mag-breakfast kami. Tingnan namin kung ano masarap dito sa Ano Mong Kuko. So, ito, ano ba masarap dito, Yusuf?
Kumain ka na rito natin.
Kumain na pala ako dito dati.
Nakalimutan mo.
Kapag, kaya, kailangan natin conversation. Kung gagawin mo, ano conversation natin? Ha? Diba guys? Para mapag-usapan natin kung ano yung masarap na pagkain. Ito meron, no?
Yung mga burger pala, it starts at 11 a.m. Pero
Oh.
pwede na rin signature brunch. They have signature brunch here. Sira yung... Ayan o.
So, may... Yeah. So, naghanap kami kung anong masarap na ano, no? Na breakfast. Signature lunch na tayo. Yeah, ano yun? Yung tinatanong dito.
Ito yung pinaka.
Sorry. Dulo. Yeah, ito na sa akin, ah.
Yan din na sa akin.
Ito na sa akin. Kasi may sausage siya. May bacon. Hindi ko na, sa inyo na yung toast ko kunin. Ito na sa akin. So ito yung nakuha ko guys. Tsaka medyo less price. Right guys? What are you guys having?
You'll see later.
Huh?
You'll see later when we got through. Did you choose?
We'll see later? Yeah?
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Do you want some coffee?
Coffee please, yeah.
Coffee.
Coffee,
No,
coffee.
no, no. Okay.
Coffee and then rice on the side.
But I can make you a nice coffee.
Can you?
Oh.
Thank you. That's nice of you.
She's so nice.
She said not yet when she saw me. I think she thinks I'm young.
Huh? But you think you're 16.
That's why.
No, you look really young. With the glasses and all. But if you put color in your hair, you're gonna look like 30.
I don't want to do that. It's
Curl,
gonna destroy my
huh?
curl. Curling my hair makes a big difference. Ages me like 10 years.
Or put color.
No, I'm good. I don't want to destroy my hair. Mommy, doesn't your case also have flowers? Before, yes. I mean before. No, it meant to come out.
Dito guys, ano, palagi na
The same.
maraming kumakain, no? Na hindi nawawala na every time na pupunta kami rito, talagang ang dami may kumakain. Masarap din yung kasi. Sino sa tingin?
Kunin lang. Kunin lang ako.
Pero hindi ganun ka, ano, hindi ka to nung uling punta namin nun, mas marami. Ngayon parang ano, hindi ka na kukunin.
Kasi katatapos lang ng holiday. Holiday pa
Right, yeah, ganun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
gonna get this one with sausage.
How you want your eggs?
Sunny side up.
Sunny, sausage, mashed or cubed potato,
Mashed.
white or brown bread,
Brown.
brown,
Yeah, I'll just have the same thing.
same thing.
Just the same
All
thing.
like same thing.
All the same thing.
Oh, you're so easy. Choco coco. How you want your eggs?
Sunny side
You
up.
want the bacon sausage, mashed or cubed potato, white or brown bread.
You want brown?
And for you? Deluxe, how you want your eggs?
Scrambled.
Bacon sausage,
Sausage.
mashed or cube,
Mashed. Can I also add
brown bread.
wait.
What? And you want banana and strawberry?
Ito ba yun?
That one is more expensive.
Ito kasi has English cream in it as well.
So guys, ayun, nakapag-order na kami. No? So, hintayin lang natin dumating yung pagkain.
Thank you.
Very nice
Can
waitress.
I see her confidence?
I like her. Yeah, she's nice, no? Talaga. Kasi iba masungit, eh. Pero she's nice. I like her. Karami naman dito mga, they're nice. Right, guys? Yeah, we'll see later. How do you feel today, ate? Hungry? Yeah. Happy, no? Ano yung New Year's resolution na meron ka? Yung mga bagay na gusto mong baguhin.
I don't know yet.
So, natawa ako sa anak ko. Kasi, hindi niya pa alam kung ano yung New Year's resolution niya. Yung mga bagay na gusto niyang baguhin. But that's alright kasi hindi naman lahat kailangan sa New Year nag-uumpisa yung mga ganung bagay, di ba? So, anytime pwede natin baguhin yan, no? Hindi naman kailangan talaga sa New Year's, after New Year na. So, kamustahin natin si Andrew. So, wala pa siyang mood, no? Kasi sa umaga, hindi pa siya nasa mood usually, no? So, may mga bagay na nangyari sa amin ngayon 2026. So marami rin, may mga plano din kami, ilang bagay na siguro pagdating ngayong summer guys, balak namin magpunta ng mga ibang lugar, mga farm, mga resort siguro, yung mga ganun para mapakita sa inyo. No? Mas madali pumasyal kasi pagka summer na hindi ganun kalamig. Pero kasi pagka ganitong winter, para sa aming Pilipino, limited lang. Kasi hindi rin naman kami masyado nagpupunta sa mga bundok para mag-ski. Although we tried before, I tried that before. And I don't think it's for me. You know, I had a hard time. Yung mga time na yun, nag-ski ako. Ha?
You're not even filming.
What? Monsieur?
Chocolate deluxe?
So, dito na yung order guys.
Coco? Les œufs?
Thank you, Abby.
Thank you.
Ça, c'était pain blanc. Bon appétit.
Thank you.
Il y avait des
Merci.
petits chapins.
I'm recording. It's recording.
It's red.
It's recording. That's why it's red.
It's blue and it's red.
It's recording.
Can I see?
Binibiting ka rin.
Oh, it is recording. I interrupted you because I thought it was
No, it's
red.
okay.
Film the...
It's part of the vlog, no? Show your food. Guys, fruits. Guys, fruits.
Brad, Eddie, you took mommy's sausage.
I swap. I don't eat bread. I don't eat
No, but
that.
like she wants it.
Huh? So, ito yung pagkain namin guys. Ha? Guys, sarap. So, itong breakfast na to dito sa Alo Mong Kuko, no? Napakasarap. Sabi mo, sarap ng breakfast namin. Hindi pwedeng sabit yung jacket sana. So yun nga, mga plano na gusto namin puntahan. Medyo limited lang kami pagdating sa winter kasi hindi naman itong mga kasama ko medyo lamigin. pwede kami mag-ice skate, mag-ski sana. Mangyayari, baka ako lang.
You know, skiing is expensive. You have to get gear.
Yeah. You can rent. Kasi when we went skiing before, you can actually rent. Although medyo may presyo siya, no? Tama yung sinabi ng Loko na is a bit expensive. But it's a good experience.
Have you tried skating?
Skating, yeah, we can do that. Eh ngayon, medyo sobrang lamig, minus 32.
But isn't there indoor skating at Bonabons?
There's an indoor skating too, yeah, that they can do, like a shot. No, not
So,
shot.
kailangan pa rin bumili ng $15 to get brunch.
Binigay ko sa iyo, bread. Saka yung
Wait,
chips.
what?
Swap.
So you only have one sausage.
So, ano kinuha?
This one is awesome.
You take the sausage.
Oh, you can take it.
Naman, ikaw mo din. Ba't mo kinuha?
Kunin mo na. Pero it's okay.
What did you say, Mom?
And you want the egg?
Yeah, I want to add please.
Okay, get it.
Where's my sausage?
I like the how you do it.
He gave you this bread, but I don't need all the bread.
Ako na.
Wala, piti.
Yun. Marami itlog ko, no? Mas masarap. So, yun, paplano rin kung
How much are skates, Mommy?
ice skate, yeah. Okay guys, we'll see you
I
later.
think 80.
See you.
Can I get it?
What do you say, Andrew? Yeah, nabusog kami, no? Masarap nung breakfast namin, guys, right?
Malaki yung portioning niya.
Malaki yung portioning. So, kaya nga, malaki yung portioning, masarap yung ano. Iuwin lang yung iba, sayang, ha? So, okay guys, we'll see you. See you around. Dami rin tao, guys. Marami rin bakante. Sarap dito, guys, mga coffee, right? So, this is that. Yeah. So ito yung mga pagkain o if you guys wanna order, no? Ito yung mga basic na meron sila, 845 plus tax syempre. Dito lahat puro tax ang meron. Yeah. Tapos ito yung time sa buong December, January 1st then January 2nd. Pero ito yung talagang pinakang opening hours nila, no? Okay. So okay guys, bye.